Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start maximizing your experience with InterExchange, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To maximize your experience with InterExchange, begin by creating an account. Visit the InterExchange website and navigate to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with accurate information. Be sure to verify your email address once you've completed the registration. Next, explore the various programs offered by InterExchange. Take time to review each program's details and requirements. Identify the program that aligns with your goals and interests. Once you've selected a program, begin the application process. Complete all necessary documents and be thorough and provide any additional information requested. After submitting your application, monitor your email for updates. Once accepted, prepare for your experience by gathering useful resources. Connect with other participants through InterExchange's online forums. Engage with the community to share tips and learn from others. Familiarize yourself with cultural and logistical information relevant to your program. Make a checklist of what you need to pack for your journey. If applicable, secure necessary visas and travel documents promptly. As your start date approaches, maintain communication with your program coordinator. Ask any questions you have and clarify expectations. Upon arrival at your destination, take time to acclimate to your new environment. Participate actively in all program activities and local events. Document your experiences to reflect on your journey later. Finally, remain open to new opportunities throughout your time abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.